Boom, there's $60. Boom, there's 80. There's 600. There's another $80. That's 150. That's $300. So if you got a PayPal account right now, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money online by making videos without showing your face. That's right. This has nothing to do with YouTube, so you don't have to get a fancy camera. You don't have to worry about lots of different things about you making videos and put it out there. I'm going to show you how to earn money online by making videos without showing your face. So you don't need to show your face, and we're going to get started right now. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre, and let me know in the comments right now. As I told you before, as soon as we get close to 10,000 subscribers, there's going to be a massive giveaway. I'm going to be giving away something on this channel as soon as we get to at 10,000 subscribers. So if you get to 10,000, and share this with your friends, share this with family and everything. So we're going to jump into it, and I'm going to share with you how you can earn money online by making videos without showing your face. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to go over to a particular website that is, it's not ClickBank, but it's Digistore. So go to digistore.com. What we need to do, we need to outsource, and we need to find different products and different things that we want to promote. Now, I already thought about this, and you always want to find products that are trending and something that is going to be selling right away. Especially how I'm going to share with you the ways how you can do this, because you don't need to have a large following. You just need to start posting these videos. Once you make these videos, then it's going to go viral. And I'm going to show you one of the fastest growing particular platform right now that is crushing it. A lot of people are not using it to their true potential. They've heard about it, but they haven't yet. So there's lots of different type of products. There's food and drinks. There's green products, home garden, all these stuff in here that you can use. Now, for me, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to go into the fitness and health. And the reason for the fitness and health is because these products are selling and they're on the market right now, and you could get started just by making money. And you could do this over and over again. So now that we find the products, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be start creating these videos, and we start posting them. Now we want to go over to TikTok. Believe it or not, TikTok is trending right now. I've just created this account, and if you look at the analytics so far, that over the last 7 days, there's over 73 views. I haven't posted in a couple of days, but I've posted, I would say, about 4 to 5 videos, and one of the videos I've gotten over 400 plus views already from that one video since I've created an account. And I'm going to make more TikTok's account. Now, some of you are probably saying, well, TikTok doesn't work in my country. Well, what you could do is you could use VPN if you want to do this so badly. You could use a VPN if you want. Create the account, and then you could use it, and you could create a different TikTok. So once you go on here, listen, I'm telling you, man, if you follow this method step by step, you could crush it as well. Okay, so you don't need a large following. I got only 6 followers, but the videos are going viral. The videos are going viral, and people are watching them, and people are sharing them. So once you create your account, if you look over here, TikTok is not only for dancing and people just doing their stuff and about food. People always say, well, there's only kids on there. No, believe it or not, there's, I would say, over 25 million or so over 25 years old. And there's way more people right now that is discovering TikTok, and they're going on there. So in the For You page, you can find lots of different things. There's food and drinks, there's health. I've seen things on here where people are talking about weight loss products. And with the weight loss product, not many people are using it to the advantage right now. You could come scroll down here, and you could see so many different viral contents that are going out there. So you could create these videos without putting your face on it, right? And I'm going to show you my TikTok right here. All right, so this is my TikTok. As you can see, I told you, I have over 400 plus views. And with this particular TikTok that I've created, I'm just posting stuff about weight loss. I'm posting stuff about diabetic. I'm posting stuff about meal plan. So you get the idea what I'm coming from. You don't have to do weight loss. You could do a dog page. You could do a cat page. And all you need to do is once you're ready to, you just come over here and you could find different products over on Digistore. And you want to promote this particular page or you want to promote this keto diet, just click on here, grab your affiliate link, and then you want to go over to this website that is called Linktree. So when you go to Linktree, you want to put at least 4 to 5 different links. You could come over here and you could sign up. You could sign up for free right here. Linktree allow you to put multiple different links so that way you don't have just one product promoting, but you have several. So this is what it looked like. It looks like this. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could put, let's say if you're into the health and wellness niche, you could grab this keto link. You could grab this link right here. If you scroll down, you could grab this other keto. You could grab this essential keto book. You could get smart sugar. If you're into the weight loss stuff. Now, if you're into other niche, you could go to the home and garden. So let's say you go to the home and garden and you want to promote stuff over here. There's only one of them so far, but into the green products and stuff, right? You could find different things. Like these are like, VPN server. You could promote these particular products. If you go into the email marketing, if you go into the dating as well, you can find different products. So you could build a page on Dog. You could go over to ClickBank. You could get products from ClickBank and you could just create, right, different links. So I'm going to log in real quick. Let's say you log in. All right. Once you log in, after you log in, now if you look over here, you can add a link. So you click on this. Once you click on these 2 links, you could click on edit. So you could say keto diet supplement. All right, here we go. Keto diet supplement title. Let's go back over to the health and wellness. So I'm just showing you, I'm telling you, if you follow this method, you could crush it. So this would be like herpes stuff, but this is keto dessert. So for the earnings, you make like $3 or so off each earnings. So let's say keto desserts. Then what you want to do, you want to put in your affiliate link. So let's say we grab the affiliate link right here. After you grab the affiliate link, then you want to come here with the keto dessert, put your affiliate link right there. Okay, see? So you see it over here? It's clickable. Now we're going to go back and let's say we get let's just use this for the sake of the video. Just copy this. Put it right here. Affiliate link is in there. Here's another one, right? You can add another link. I think you can add up to like 4 or 3 with the free. So with the free, you can add that with the free one, right? You can add the free one. And then what you want to do is you could then add those things over and over again. So you can put in different affiliate links, write it. So that's a keto dessert kit. So if I click on it, look, I'm gonna click on it. It's just gonna take me right there. See that? Voila. So I hope you get the idea of where I'm going is you can create videos without you actually showing your face on it. So just create those videos. Now, some of you wanted to find out, okay, well, where can I find videos? Now, this is where you can find videos is go to YouTube and type in keto. And when you type in keto, let's say you're promoting keto and you go here, you go to the Creative Commons. Once you go to the Creative Commons, you could download these videos. And once you download them, you can make series. So let's say TikTok, each video length is a minute. This right here, this is 22 videos by itself. Okay, so it's 22 videos by itself that you can do, and then you can make these things. So once you do that, right, after you copy it and then you put it onto your link tree, you put your affiliate link, and then these are some of the different apps that you can use. You can use Magisto, you could use Hyperlapse, you could do InShot, you could do all these different things. Just put them on your phone and just edit them. And once you edit them, you just keep posting them over and over again. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I appreciate you guys. So just go out there and just crush it, set it up, and just like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My name is Andre. Talk to you soon.